FitBudd, you can send one message to multiple clients at once. Let's see how. With the broadcast messaging feature, you can now select which clients receive your message. To send a broadcast message, follow these steps. In the main panel of your dashboard, open Messages section and click on Broadcast. You will see a few default groups based on their lead status and plan status. You can select your message audience based on these groups, or you can also send messages to all your clients at once. On the bottom of the list, click on Send to Custom Group to create your own personalized list of clients to send the message to. You can create a group based on different attributes like client plans, categories, and tags. Once you've selected your recipient group, you can type out your message as you normally would. All the information regarding recipients of a particular message are also available to you. For a broadcast message, you can send documents, voice notes, and video messages as well. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for constant updates on the platform. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy training!